Your phone is dying faster because of one setting you never touch.
The average person charges their phone twice a day and still runs out.
Hack 1. Switch to dark mode. It can add up to 2 extra hours.
Hack 2. Airplane mode. Airplane mode charges your phone up to 25% faster. Hack 3. Close background apps. Hack 3. Close background apps. They silently drain battery all day long.
Hack 4. Keep your phone out of direct heat. Heat kills battery health fastest.
Hack 5. Lower brightness by just 20% and extend battery life noticeably.
Hack 6. Unplug at 80% instead of 100%. It protects long-term battery health. Save this before your next charge. Follow for daily tech fixes.